In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and follow someone on Threads using your iPhone. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right and tap the magnifying glass icon. This is the search tool, and it takes you to the area where you can discover accounts, topics, and people. If the app is just open and things are still loading, give it a second so the search page fully refreshes before you continue. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. As soon as you tap it, your keyboard will appear so you can type. Threads can search by both username and display name, so you don't need the exact handle to get started. If you know the username, type it as precisely as you can for the fastest match. If you only know a name, enter that instead. The search isn't case sensitive, but spelling matters, so try to get close. If you're unsure, start with a few characters and refine based on what shows up. Now look through the results and tap the correct profile. Take a moment to make sure you've got the right person. Check the profile picture, the handle under their name, and any short bio text that appears in the preview. If you see multiple similar names, the handle is usually the most reliable detail. When you're confident you've found the right one, go ahead and select that profile to open it. On the profile page, tap the follow button below their profile picture. After you tap, the button should change to confirm your action. On most public accounts, it typically switches to show that you're now following. If the account is set to private, the button may indicate that your request has been sent and will pend until they approve it. You don't need to do anything else here, just let the status update. If you accidentally tap the wrong profile, you can always navigate back to the search results and select a different one. That's the entire process. Open the Threads app. Tap the magnifying glass in the top right, tap the search bar at the top, type the person's username or name, choose the correct profile from the results, and tap follow beneath their profile picture. If your search doesn't show the right person, try a different spelling or add more details to narrow it down. With these steps, you can quickly connect with the people you're looking for on Threads right from your iPhone.